Okay, here we go. Welcome. Happy Thanksgiving and good morning. We are gathered here today not to witness the beginning of what will be, but rather what already is. The wondrous and joyful occurrence that has already taken place in your lives. We do not create this marriage because we cannot. We can and do, however, celebrate with Adam and Sarah the joyous union of two people whose comradeship and mutual understanding have flowered in romance. A love that has been shaped and molded into the lovely family that we see here today. Marriage is a supreme sharing of experience and an adventure in the most intimate of human relationships. So in the spirit of love and adventure, you have gathered in this place, beautiful historical Mount Dora, to declare your love for each other and symbolically unite as a family. Today, Adam and Sarah proclaim their love and commitment to the world and their children, and we gather here to rejoice and celebrate with and for them in the new life that they now undertake together. Are you both ready to give yourselves completely as husband and wife?
Yes.
Yes.
I'd like to share a reading with you called The Institution of Marriage. It's by Kenneth Pfeffer. The institution of marriage was begun that a man and a woman might learn how to love, and in love know joy. That a man and woman might learn how to share pain and loneliness, and in sharing know strength. That a man and a woman might learn how to give, and in giving know communion. The institution of marriage was begun that a man and a woman might, through their joy, their strength, and their communion, become creators of life itself. Marriage is a holy state, to be held in honor among all men. But marriage is also a low and common state, to be built of the stuff of daily life. Men and women are not angels, nor are they gods. Love can become hatred, joy can become sorrow, and marriage can become divorce. But human beings are not conformed to failure. Love can grow even in the real world. The wounds of sorrow can be healed. That's right. And a new life built on the learnings of the old. This is the reason for our gathering here today, to renew our faith in the strength of hope and the power of love. We are going to do what's called a family hand ceremony. Since you all are already holding hands, Sarah, I would ask that you place your hands in Adam's hands, palm up. Perfect. So he can see that you are offering him all that you are. Adam, the hands that you hold are the hands of your best friend and confidant, the woman who has stood steadfastly at your side for the past 7 years, choosing every day to love you, and with whom you have created a new life. Adam, now place your hands, palm up, in Sarah's hands, so she can see that you have chosen her to give your all to. Sarah, the hands that you hold are the hands of the man that you have opened your heart to, your best friend, your confidant, the guy who said, yeah, why not, to the amazing journey of love that you have both embarked upon. He is the keeper of your heart. Can everyone join hands in a circle, please? Perfect, just like that. Look around at all the faces that form this circle. This is your family, your safe haven, your place of comfort, your place of peace. It is filled with the ones that you can depend on and grow with and love. The hands you hold are all connected, and each and every one of you is being trusted with the heart of each person here. The hands that you all hold are the hands of the most important people in your lives. Adam, Sarah, Linnea, Madeline, Abby Rose, Adam, and Sabine. Your parents will now exchange vows. Okay. Adam, I'm going to ask you first. Adam Grodio, do you take this woman to be your wife, to live together in holy matrimony, to love, honor, cherish, and protect her, keeping her in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others for as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Sarah, I'll ask you next. Sarah Hanson Sullivan, do you take this man to be your husband, to live together in holy matrimony, to love, honor, cherish, and protect him, keeping him in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others for as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Then I'll ask you to repeat after me. Adam, you will go first, looking into Sarah's eyes. I, Adam Grodio,
I, Adam Grodio,
take you, Sarah Sullivan,
take you, Sarah Sullivan,
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poor,
for richer, for poor,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
till death do us part.
till death do us part.
Okay? And now, Sarah, please repeat after me. I, Sarah Sullivan,
I, Sarah Sullivan,
take you, Adam Grodio,
take you, Adam Grodio,
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
until death do us part.
until death do us part.
Who holds the rings for the couple? Okay. You're going to go ahead and give Dad his to give to Sarah.
What? You happy? Okay.
Everybody's doing fine.
Okay.
Fine.
Yep, and then close that up. Okay.
It's
And we'll
okay.
just stick that, yeah.
All right. Adam, go ahead and place the ring on Sarah's finger up to the knuckle. And please repeat after me. I, Adam Grodio,
I, Adam Grodio,
give you this ring
give you this ring
as a token and pledge
as a token and pledge
of our constant faith
of our constant faith
and abiding love.
and our abiding love.
Go ahead and push it all the way up.
It's all the sodium.
We forgot the butter. Okay, you're going to do the same thing?
Yeah.
All right. Looking in his eyes. I, Sarah Sullivan,
I, Sarah Sullivan,
give you this ring
give you this ring
as a token and pledge
as a token and pledge
of our constant faith
of our constant faith
and abiding love.
and abiding love.
Go ahead and press it all the way up.
It's been a fun vacation.
That's quite all right. Now, Linnea, Madeline, Abby Rose, Adam and Sadine, because you all are so special and important to Adam and Sarah, they'd like to make special vows to you as well.
So we'll read the
Okay. I'm going to just read the very first one to them.
child for. Okay.
Can you see it?
Yes, and I'll do it, or does Adam do
You
it?
both have your own parts. You see where your names are?
Yeah.
Okay. Now,
Okay. You have the first part. Okay, listen.
I'm going to...
Listen.
Do
Okay.
you want to take her?
No.
No?
You're all right.
So,
No.
if you guys can just stand
Come
there
over
so you
here.
can
Come over here.
You're okay.
Okay.
All right, Adam. It's all right. Bud. Thank you.
There are young children who will share in this marriage. Yep, you included. The gathering of this new family will have a deep influence upon them. It will both complicate and enrich their lives. Bless you. They will also have much to contribute to this new family, and we realize that in order for the home to be a happy one, it is essential that there be love and understanding between the young adults and the slightly more experienced adults. Linnea, Madeline, Abby Rose, Adam, and Sadine, and the more experienced adults being married here today. Please all join hands.
The children.
Everyone, join hands. Sarah and Adam, is your love for each other broad enough to include Linnea, Madeline, Abby Rose, Adam, and Sadine, and deep enough to honor their presence in your marriage, and to pledge yourselves to love and care for them?
Yes.
Yes.
Adam, you're going to read your child vows first, followed by Sarah, okay? Your father now has something he'd like to say to you all. Can you see it?
The top here,
Where it says,
Right.
number 4, you
number
said?
4.
No.
No, number
3.
Oh,
where's
Right there, okay.
okay? Go ahead.
Linnea and Madeline, I want you to know that I dearly love your mother. We have become very good friends over the years and have learned to love each other. As you have so graciously shared this wonderful woman with me, so I will share the love I feel for her with you. Together we will learn much more about each other. I promise also to be fair and to be honest, to be available for you as I am for your mom, and in due time earn your love and respect and true friendship. I will not attempt to replace anyone, but make a place in your hearts that is for me alone. I will be father and friend and will cherish my life with all of you. On this day, I marry your mom, I marry you, and I promise to love and support you as my own.
And now Sarah will make her vows to you all.
Abby and Adam, I want you to know that I dearly love your father. We have become very good friends over the year, and we have learned to love each other. As you have so graciously shared this wonderful man with me, so I will share the love that I feel for him with both of you. Together we will learn much more about each other. I promise also to be fair and to be honest, to be available for you as I am your dad, and in due time earn your love, respect, and true friendship. I will not attempt to replace anyone, but to make place in your hearts that is for me alone. I will be your mother, friend, and I will cherish my life with both of you. On this day when I marry your dad, I marry you, and I promise to love and support you as my own.
Hi. Hi.
That was lovely. And now, to the children, I have a few questions to ask you. Linnea, Madeline, Abby Rose, Adam, and Sadine, do you promise to love your mother and her new husband?
Yes.
Do you promise to support their marriage and your new family? Do you promise to accept the responsibility of being their children
Yes.
and to encourage them, support them, and accept them just as our Heavenly Father accepts all of us?
Yes.
Fantastic. So Sarah and Adam, if you have extra hand, if you could join hands. In so much as the two of you have agreed to live together in holy matrimony, having promised your love to each other and to the children, by the vows that you have taken, by the rings that you have exchanged, by the words that you have spoken, and by the virtue of the authority vested in me under the laws of the state of Florida, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Congratulations, you may now kiss your bride. And congratulations, you are now a legal family.
Yay! Yay! Come on, baby.
And I want to give them,
Right, you're gonna give up the box, yeah?
so,
They just need a minute. And then we'll go ahead and,
she's happy.
we'll go ahead, I know.
She's happy. I have something. Remember when we were in Cape Cod on the beach? Remember when we were on the beach at Cape Cod and we got our sea rocks? Remember we got our sea rocks?
So you wanna go over with her, sir?
Kindness towards family. And I have the date of today, and that's for you.
Okay, can you turn so we can see your rock? Kind of put it up so the camera can see it. There you
Strength and patience.
go. Okay, Adam, bring yours up, please, and stand right next to her so we can see it.
Commitment and faith. Commitment within family. Faith in our family. And Matt and Sadie has love amongst family. These are the rocks that we found on the beach, remember? And so I wrote a little something that means.
And this is why
Capture.
these words are on the back of your phone case. Because you can't remember.
So I want to give these rocks and then, so look at them and share them. And we'll put them back. I'm going to take a picture of them in your hand. So can I see, is it okay? Can I see your hand holding the rocks, okay? Okay, so let me show up your rocks. Oh, look at her little hand with the rocks. Oh, good girl.
And if you all could come close and just kind of put them right in the, right there. Come up, and then just all kind of push them forward so we can see your rocks. And yours is upside down, so we want to turn it around. Faith and family. There you go. Your children. Okay. And then can you?
Here, let me get a rock. Oh my gosh. Sadie, please. We gotta,
Sadie, there's your rock. Okay.
Okay. Can we see your rock? Can I see your rock?
Say, geez, I got the rock. You could replace those babies on Full House. They're cute.
Absolutely. All right. I can't see you in the screen, so a little bit more over. Okay. And I can't quite see your head, so you're kind of tall. So if you could come down just a little bit for me.
Rock.
There we go.
That's your special rock.
Okay. And bring your head down just a tad more. There we go. I want to see everybody's face. Okay. Okay, we're good.
that hurt.
Okay. All right.